No, man. Tell me how.
Damn, bro. Hey, who did this to you?
Man, I don't know, but I know you was black.
Nigga, we all black.
I don't know. Just help me out, man. Just help me out.
They even tie you up with
Man,
it.
just rubber bands, man.
Rubber bands.
Bitch, I'm not off this shit.
Man, come on, guys. Come on.
Shit, I don't
Rubber
know.
fucking bands.
Niggas tying
Like,
niggas
wow.
up in this shit. I'm bouncing. Fuck, I'm out.
Like literally supposed to been out.
Yeah. This one just ran out the door. For what? Shit. Shit. Run, nigga. Oh,
Like who just turns around like that?
Shit. I'm out. Alright, that's one down. Time to get him out.
Like bro, you hearing this man out, bro.
Oh, there you go. There you go. Push somebody.
Like wow. Like how you get outside, bro?
I haven't seen Desmond since he
Like